Okay, so vet construction. What is the difference between vet construction and industrial technology, timbers and furniture? The difference is vet construction is a B grade subject. It is a competent and not yet competent, whereas timber is fail or pass. The difference also too is that you do not have to sit your HSC exam if you wish to, and you will not be penalised. Also too, if you are marked not yet competent in one of your competencies, you have up till the day that you finish this course or you sign out to resit your competencies. So the type of student that should be picking construction is one that's looking to get into the construction industry. You will do 2 work placements, 2 35-hour work placements during the course. They are a requirement by NESA at different times of the year. We generally like to try and get them over in year 11 so it doesn't affect year 12. You can do anything from painting to electrical to plumbing, carpentry, bricklaying, whatever you'd like to do within the building industry. We'll try and get you into that to give you a bit of exposure into that career. The certificate that you will gain is a certificate in pathways construction. Also too, if you don't complete the course, you'll get a statement of attainment, which means when you go to TAFE or if you want to pursue a career as a carpenter later on in life, you can then pick up those qualifications. It's an Australian nationally recognised qualification by the Australian Framework Qualifications, and we've run it through our WHS RTO. So we're dictated by them to what we do in relation to your projects. Each term or cluster, you'll do what's called a cluster, and that'll entail some theory component as well as a little project. To start off with, you'll make something like an oil stain holder or a little bench hook or timber mallet, working on the way to the little barbecue tables that you see outside the school with the awnings in the end of year 12. If you're one of those students that is looking for a career as a carpenter but still want to get your ATAR, this would be an ideal course for you in that you do still get experience and exposure into the building industry. It is a B grade subject, so a part of it can go towards your ATAR. You will be assessed along the way, and that should be your only category B subject. Why should you do this subject? Well, if you're thinking of leaving school or you want to go into a career into the construction industry, this is the perfect course for you. It's right at school, it's in school time, it doesn't cost mum and dad any money while giving you exposure to the building industry. You've got teachers like myself that have been carpenters or worked in the building industry, so we're giving you first-hand experience and knowledge, as well as having friends in the building industry that we can chase information or knowledge or give you potential opportunities with apprenticeships. We're in the process of striking up a network or a partnership with GJ Gardner Homes, which will help us build a future pathway into the construction industry, with us getting first preferences to apprentices in their subcontractors. GJ Gardner Homes is a local building company that subcontracts to pretty much every trade there is. And their CEO, being a local person that's grown up in this area, is keen to build up that network and give the local kids something to aspire to.
I do construction because I love hands-on work. It's probably the best subject here. Good teachers, good fun with the boys, get on the tools and stuff, yeah, it's good. Anyone who likes to get their hands dirty and likes sort of like infrastructure sort of stuff, wants to do a trade sort of career, then yeah, you should think it's a good subject.